video, I am doing a Reputation by Taylor Swift themed notebooks for back to school. I have one based on the album art, the album cover, and then I have one based on one of her like song lyrics. So if you'd like to see the DIYs, stay watching.
Unless you wanna come along.
So for the first notebook, I went through a magazine and I cut out parts of articles where it was just words, and then I glued on the little article sections onto the notebook so that it would be covered with like newspaper-ish looking things. You could also just use newspaper articles, but I had a magazine with me and no newspapers. So then after I had all of the newspapers glued down, I took these things that were kind of like stamps that I found at the dollar store and I dipped them in paint and I put them on the newspaper. So for my second notebook, this one I started with painting flames at the bottom. It took me like a few coats to get the flames to show up on the notebook. Then after the flames were painted, I took some letter stickers and I spelled the word flames. Mine were a little bit bigger. You should get like smaller ones so you could fit more letters. But then after I had the stickers on there, I took some Mod Podge and I started putting it around the notebook, and then I put some glitter on it.
Okay, that is the end of my video. If you've made it this far, comment down below what your favorite song on Reputation was. Mine was Delicate for a really long time, but now I feel like I don't know which one's my favorite. I guess I can just go with Delicate, but I feel like I haven't listened to Delicate in a while. I have other DIY videos if you want to go watch those, and I have other Taylor Swift theme videos if you want to go watch those. So that is the end of my video. Goodbye!